Alright, what's up guys? In today's video, I want to explain how to install the D.U.I, the D.U.I distributor on a 22R motor. This is a 81 4x4 pickup, and this is Jeff's. It just has a brand new rebuilt motor. Did some other videos on this, but yeah, I just want to focus on how we did this. We just finished it up, and yeah, it's been just about 3 hours of work, 4 hours of work, and just taking our time wiring everything in. And I didn't really see a whole lot online on how to do this, so just wanted to show you guys what we did. So first thing I did is I put the motor at top dead center on the first cylinder. I then removed the old distributor, making sure, you know, I had it all lined up. And when I put in the new distributor, basically what you do is you designate whatever one of these terminals you want to be your number one. Now, I kind of, in retrospect, I wish I would have chosen this one, but I chose the one down here. Regardless, it doesn't really matter because, you know, it all works out fine. But like I said, I wish I would have chosen this one just because it makes more sense. At the time, I didn't consider the vacuum advance being on the top and maybe getting in the way. I don't think it really was in the way. Regardless, that's what I did, and we can change it if we want in the future. So we put it in, we designated this as number one, and then we followed the sequence here for the firing order. So if you look, it goes 4, 3, 4, or I'm sorry, 1, 3, 4, 2, I believe is the order here. Yeah. So 1, 3, 4, 2. So we follow the order here. I set it in number one, and then I wired it in. So how I wired it in? Well, I decided to use a relay, and you know, I'm trying to figure out a way actually to get this maybe a little bit more rainproof, but it's tucked up here by the battery, so it's kind of out of the way. So what we did is we tapped in over here to these wires. So these are the original wires that go into your ignition module here. This red orange looking wire is the ignition wire, and this yellow is the tachometer. So I wired the ignition wire through the front into the relay, and I wired the tachometer wire right down into here. There's a spot right down there for your tachometer wire and also your battery wire. So we have ignition coming through here, going to the relay. We also have a direct ground going to the relay and a direct fuse, 30 amp inline fuse that goes also to the relay. From there, the fourth wire coming out of the relay is the wire that comes back through here and powers the distributor. So we have ignition coming in that sends the signal. The relay has ground and constant power, and once the relay receives the ignition signal, it sends the 12 volt directly to the distributor, which was required for this distributor to have a constant 12 volts. So that's pretty much it. It's not that complicated, but I didn't really see any videos, so I wanted to just clarify how we did this here. So yeah, we're gonna try and, you know, maybe clean things up. I had to temporarily block off this hose, and we did put a Weber little air filter on. We got rid of the stock air filter because it would not fit. And, you know, I think you could have modified it, potentially rerouted the hose, but Jeff opted for the small little filter here. So we did plug up this air pump, and we still have to kind of figure that out. So this is temporary, but it works for now. So that's pretty much it. We went ahead and set the timing to 12 degrees, and we're about to take it on our first test drive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not that complicated. We also went and installed the live wire set here, you know, upgraded wire set, and I did gap all of the spark plugs to between 0.05 and 0.055 So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. The wiring, I don't think you need a relay, but I just wanted to take extra protection and kind of just wire it up that way. But I think we hypothetically could have just taken power from our ignition and tach and called it a day. But now, you know, everything is kind of safe and we don't have to worry about not having a full 12 volts. You know, now we have full 12 volts always. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're about to go do our first couple test drives, but starts up and runs and sounds good. So yeah, super stoked on it. And that's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some updates here in this truck still. A couple little things to do here and there, but yeah, super stoked. We got the D.U.I on. Look at that thing. Yeah, man, very cool. Well, yeah, that's it for now. Have a good day. Peace.